Hello and welcome to another video. This time I will show you a virtual interior design project that I did for a family of 4 in the south of Madrid. It is a semi-detached house with 2 floors, basement and attic, and I will be showing you all the plans, mood boards and renders, plus the virtual tour of the entire space. This project was made between the months of May and July in 2020, and at that time was the very first lockdown in Spain. So I have to say that although I could visit this place, because my studio at that time was very close, I have never been here. So this is a completely virtual interior design project. The plans were already made by an architecture company, and in this first floor the distribution will remain the same. This is the house entrance, the hall, the powder room, the living and dining area, the kitchen, and the porch. And this was the mood board of this floor with wooden texture and neutral and warm tones. And this is a video of the owner showing me how the entrance of the house was looking by the time we were doing this project. So as you can see, we really worked from scratch. One of the first challenges was to decide and then be 100% sure what kind of divisions was the best for this floor. So we could have a regular walls, a completely open concept, or glass walls, something similar to this. And the owner decided that the best option for them was the first one. Create separation with walls and double glass doors as big as possible to let the light access through them. And this is the second mood board with all the pieces of furniture that they wanted to keep. So now let's go inside and see how the house may look. Once we enter in the hallway, on the left hand we can find the previous powder room that it turned into a small bathroom because it was big enough to integrate the shower. In the hallway, the family wanted to take advantage of the space and create a large closet to hide all the coats, shoes and all kinds of accessories. Moving into the living and dining area, we find a big space with all the family furniture, including the art on the fireplace. The TV area is located on the north side of the house, so the sunlight will never disturb a movie session. On the other hand, the dining area is placed on the sunny part of the space, so they can enjoy a nice meal with the heat of the sun. The kitchen was already designed. I just visualize it with the texture. The big island in the center of the kitchen has an integrated sink, a lot of storage in the bottom, and a big table for breakfast. It also has a lot of natural light, nice view to the pool, and an entrance to the porch. The sunny outdoor area has plenty of room for another dining table and also a small chill-out area. I remember this part of the tour helped the family to visualize and somehow encourage them to continue with the hard part of the constructions that they still have ahead at that time. Moving up to the second floor, we will find all the bedrooms. And this was the architect's approach, which the owners didn't love entirely. This was the hallway with a very irregular shape. The master bedroom, the guest room, one of the kids' room, the other kids' room, and the bathroom for both of the kids without natural light. So what I did is move the kids' bathroom to the south face of the house to allow them to have a small window. Both rooms of the kids has the same square meters. The master bedroom became much more square and the hallway has become more regular. Also, we have gained a bit of extra storage. To design this area, I imagine a comfortable and very cozy space with lots of natural fabrics and warm colored wood. When we go upstairs, first door we will see is the master bedroom. I decorate with the family furniture, including the art above the headboard. The master bathroom with double sink, and though it's facing north, it also has a small window. The guest room with a queen-size bed and a large wardrobe for storage. And one of the kids' room with plenty of sun coming through the window, a large desk to study, a trundle bed for friends, and a big wardrobe close to the door area. The second kid's room has the exam-safe furniture, plus the dresser that she already owns. And this is the new bathroom for the kids, also with double sink, a big shower, and plenty of sunlight. Just in front of the bathroom, we will find the extra storage. And talking about kids, let's see another place that we designed just for them in the basement. Once we go downstairs, on the right we will find the garage, the facility room, a storage room, and this space that initially supposed to be the laundry room, but the owners decided to move it one floor up. So we had this space to create a unique playroom. The parents asked me for a library, a board on the wall, a sofa area, and a ping pong table if that would be possible. So my idea was to create an original and unusual place to entertain and keep children's creativity awake, with colorful and different furniture. So let's take a look. Here we have the garage and the playroom, with the ping pong table, a multi-position sofa, a soft carpet, and a bunch of place for toys and books in a custom-made bookcase inspired by the Tetris. The multi-position sofa is intended to be closed down and move easily in case they would like to have a small party and may need some extra room. The playmat is intended to be easily removed and put it again in case they would like to jump or lie on the floor. There is also a TV to watch cartoons, but the idea is to make a place where they can feel free to make a mess and enjoy playing with each other, not just watching the TV. And the ping pong table that fits and integrates perfectly into the space. Last but not least, let's move and discover the beautiful attic. Once we go upstairs, we will find a big open space, which will be the office of the owners, plus a chill zone to relax after work. This will be the laundry room, and this is the cute balcony to relax after work. In the mood board, I wanted to incorporate the blue color. This color has the ability to help us to stay calm and focused, which is exactly what we need in a workplace. And a quick view how this attic was looking when we were working on. This will be the laundry room, the balcony, and the workspace. And this is how it may finally look. Once we go up, we can see the entire place, but I would like to show you first the laundry room. With natural light, thanks to the skylight, and a lot of space to do the laundry very comfortably. And this is the workspace, with a desk for two below the skylight to be able to work with natural light, a large bookcase that they need to work, and a couch to relax watching the TV after work. And this is my very favorite spot of the house, a beautiful and super cozy balcony to enjoy a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, follow us to see more projects.